Welcome to my channel Best GIS Tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to prepare a hydrological model in GIS software, and today lecture we will brief discuss about a complete hydrological modeling, that how to prepare, how to make hydrological model in GIS software. So follow us step by step and keep in touch with us. Software, you can see that by the display I added the digital elevation model of my study area and also the shapefile of my study area. Here you can see that in table of content I added these two things, which one is digital elevation model and another one is study area shapefile. So we are going to start. First we are going to our toolbox and go to special analysis tool and hydrology tool and find fill of the study area. Here is hydrology tool and click on fill. Here input surface raster, click on dam of the study area. Note that you must noted the output location of your study of the fill or your output file, because you will need it for further work. So click on OK. Wait for the results. Now fill map is mapped. Now go to again and prepare flow direction map. And flow direction input surface raster is fill. We'll add their fill, and here you must know that where is output location. So this is the flow direction. After that again go to raster, again go to our toolbox and click on flow accumulation. Flow accumulation, edit input flow direction raster. Here we will add the flow direction, and here you can see that the flow accumulation. Okay. Wait for the results. Now the flow accumulation map is prepared. You can see that. Go to table of content and go to properties of flow accumulation. Here you can go to symbology and classified that in two classes, and we can add the upper break value, which is 1200. Click on OK. Okay. Here you can see that we classify the flow accumulation map in two classes. After that, go to Map Algebra tool in our toolbox. Here is the special analysis tool, and here is Map Algebra tool, and go to raster calculation and type the following formula: flow accumulation as greater than 1200. Now OK. Here give name it output raster classification flow direction. Okay, so wait for the result. Now go to net and now go to our toolbox and go to hydrology tool again and prepare the stream order map. Here we can add the raster calculation of flow accumulation, which is calculated now. This one, here you can see that one, and output input flow direction. Here we can add the flow direction map, which is that one. Now click on OK. This is stream order map. After that, it is classified into 4 classes. Now go to stream to feature tool, and stream to feature tool will add the flow direction, here we will add the stream order map, and here we will add the flow direction. Click on OK. Now you can see that the stream to feature map is prepared. Now go to data management tool and dissolve this stream to feature. Go to data management tool and go to generalization and click on dissolve tool. Here in dissolve tool we will put the input feature is stream to feature, which we make now stream to feature. Output name is stream to feature dissolved. So here we'll select the grid code, click on yes. Now click on OK. Here you can see that in table of content the result tool is make. Now go to properties of stream to feature dissolve tool. Here go to symbology and go to categorize and grid code and add all values. You can see that it is classified into 4 classes. So OK on it. Now give it the increase the size of the stream to feature. Click on OK. You can see that it might clear. Now increase the width of third line, third order is 3. Now fourth order. It's might clear. Stream order dissolved. Stream first order and second order, this one third order, and the green is fourth order, dark green. So now again go to our toolbox and go to hydrology tool again and make the basin map. Click on basin. Basin input flow direction. This is basin map. Click on OK. Now basin is prepared. You can see that it might more clear. So now go to data management tool and reclass the flow direction map or resample it. Go to data management tool. In data management tool go to raster tool. In raster tool go to raster processing. In raster processing click on resample tool. Resample input is flow direction. Is that one. This is Resample. Now click on OK. Why we resample this map? Because it will give us the pixel information. If we uncheck this all value except the resample tool, we uncheck this all value, it will give us the information, the pixel information. It will give the pixel information. So if I take the zoom tool and zoom this map, it will give us the information pixel wise. You can see that this is the pixel information. It gives pixel information. For that purpose we apply resample tool on flow direction map. So back, zoom out it and further proceed the work. After that we will convert this raster to points. Now go to conversion tool, and conversion tool, you can see that conversion tool from raster, click on from raster to point. Now if I select that input raster is flow direction resample, it will give us raster 2 point. Give name it raster 2 point. Click on OK. Now if uncheck these all except the raster 2 point, here we will see that, and check these all value. Now add this one. Add resample 2 point, raster 2 point. Where is raster 2 point? Now it's done. It's totally show black in color, but if we zoom it, it will give us information about the study area and points. If we further zoom it, now you can see that it gives us information slowly. You can see that it gives us information in points. We convert this flow direction resample to points. Now after that we will go to the properties of that and add the unique value grid code accordingly. So zoom out this. For that it's might heavy. Now click on properties of that and go to categorize and get unique value grid code and add all value. Wait for that. Now you can see that it is categorized and sequence with the angles we will discuss this in detail in next lecture. So till now I click on OK. You can see that the grid code is this. We will change the angle of that, the one which is equal to 90 degree and 2 which is equal to 45 degree. We will arrange the flow direction and find the flow direction of the study area. So now go to catalog and create a shape file. We are moving towards the hydrological modeling. So for that we required the points of which is known as PowerPoint. For that we create a shape file for our study area. Go to catalog and search the location where you want to create a shape file and get the name shapefile to point and feature type point coordinate system, and select your coordinate system and click on OK. Now you can see that the point shapefile is created. Type is point. Now after that we are going to uncheck this one and check that one. Also in study area, that one is study area map. So now take some point from the edge of the stream. Start editing to point. Okay, continue. Pick the point and mark the point. Zoom this stream order and here take the point first and also here second one, third one, fourth one. Take some point from multi-point at the edge of this first order and the second order. So come here and also take point from that, also from there and also from there. Take some point at so these are enough. It's last point. Now save edit and stop the editing. Now go to attribute table of the point and give the ID number. Start the editing again to point. Okay, continue. Here just add number. Okay, save the edit and stop the edit. Close that one. Zoom out the map. After that, go to special analyst tool, our toolbox, and go to special analyst tool and go to hydrology tool. Hydrology tool, click on snap PowerPoint. Now we are moving toward the hydrological model thing. So snap PowerPoint, click on it, and here add the input point, which is known as point or PowerPoint. PowerPoint field is ID, and here you can add the flow accumulation, input flow accumulation map. This is flow accumulation. Here you can then have to snap PowerPoint, yes, and click on OK. Now if you see that we pick the point, after that we will convert this point to the snap PowerPoint. If I zoom that, here it will draw the square on this point which I take. This is the snap PowerPoint. So now in last step we are going to watershed, which will be complete, and the next step, zoom out that. Now go to our toolbox and go to hydrology tool and click on watershed. In watershed, add the flow direction map. Here you can add the PowerPoint data and snap PowerPoint. This is this one. You can see that this is the watershed of our study area. Let's wait for the results. Now you can see that it's completed, the watershed modeling and watershed analysis in GIS software. This is might be a long process, but it is amazing work. You can do it easily. If you have any question in this work, then you can ask me freely in comment section. I will help you and understand that how to prepare a hydrological model in GIS software.